Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to explain that main method is a special method in Java. So inside a class in Java, you can create any number of methods, but when compared to the other type of methods I create inside a class, main method is a special method that Java can recognize in a different way. Okay, Java sees this main method as a special method, not like other methods. Okay, it will differentiate this main method from the other methods. Fine. Let me explain with more practical demonstration regarding this main method. So for that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE. Okay. So here I'm going to create a new class. I'll just select new class here, DemoTen, and finish. I'm creating a class, public class name. And this is starting of the class, this is ending of the class, and this is a class body. So inside the class, I can create any number of methods, right? I can create any number of methods. Normal methods I can create, main method I can create, fine. So what if I want to create a normal method? I don't want to create the main method first, but I want to create a normal method. How to create? As already covered in the previous session, we'll create like this, public, static, void, then give the name of the method. For example, add numbers. I'm just giving the name of the method as add numbers. You can give anything. Okay, I'm just giving some example name here. Opening and closing circular brackets. After the method name, you have to provide this. Then only it will become the method. Then we have to start the method using the opening curly brace and end the method using the closing curly brace. This is a method body. So this is a name. I'm just giving this name of this method as add numbers. And this starting of the method and this is the ending of the method. So is this any special method? Whatever the method I have created here, is that a special method? No, it's a normal method. So Java will not consider this method as a special method. So which kind of method Java can consider as a special method? Main method. Fine, anyhow. So here what I will do here is, inside this method, that is inside the body of this method, I'm going to write any code. Let's say int a is equal to 5, int b is equal to 4, okay, then int sum is equal to a plus b. I'm writing some code, guys. Okay, then system.out.println, okay, the sum of, I'm just writing this code, the sum of plus a and plus b is here plus sum I am writing. So can I run this code? You see, I have written the programming logic, okay, programming logic inside this normal method known as add numbers method. You can give any name to this method. I give add numbers. You can give some other name also, okay, add two numbers. You can say whatever the name you want to give, you can give, that's okay. But I have written the logic or programming logic inside this method, which is a normal method. It's not a main method. Can I run this code? Can I run this code? Will this happen and this print statement will print? The answer is no. If I try to right click and say run as, you see, it's not happening. I'm not getting the option to run the code. Java application option in the Eclipse side is not coming because if you want to run any Java code inside the class, you have to first create which method? Main method. So how to create that main method? Public, static, void. Here, the name of the method should be main. It's compulsory. If you give any other name, okay, if you give any other name, then this will not become main method. And for main method, all these items should be there. Public should be compulsory. For normal method, public is optional, guys. Even static is optional for normal method. But here it is compulsory to write like this only. Even void is optional in case of this normal method. Public is optional, static is optional, void is optional. I'll cover more about this public, static, void in the upcoming sessions. Okay. But these keywords are optional when you are creating this kind of methods, normal methods. But for the main method, these keywords are compulsory. Okay, then only it will become a main method. Okay, if you don't give public here, it's not a main method. Even though you give the name of the method as main here, if you write the name of the method like main here, and here in the circular brackets you have to write string of args. So if you write as it is like this only, it's a main method. If you don't give public or give some other thing in place of public, it's no more a main method. Okay, if you don't give static or if you provide something in place of the static, it's no more a main method. If you don't give this void or if you give something in place of the void, then it's no more a main method. And if you give a different name, let's say main one like this, there's no more a main method. Okay, the name of the method should be exactly main. It should have the exact public keyword. It should have the exact static keyword. It should have exact void keyword, and also it should have the circular brackets. And inside circular brackets, it should have string, square, opening and close, and args. if any of this item changes, whether this one or this one or this one or this one, even this one, then it's not a main method. Okay, for main method, everything should be there. If any small alteration happens, it's no more a main method. Okay, fine. So if I write here, I can write some code inside the main method. I can write some code inside the main method. For example, I'll write some code like int x is equal to 9, int y is equal to 2. Okay, then let's say system.out.println x minus y. Okay, x minus y is equal to, or is x minus y is, I'll just give that x minus y. I'll provide circular brackets here and say x minus y. Okay, like this I can write. Fine. Now, if I run this code, will both of these methods will be executed, or only main method will be executed? Or at least I can run this code or not, first of all. Let's find it out, okay? Once I write the main method inside the class, I can now run the code. Right click here and say run as. Java application option is right now coming. Earlier it was not coming because only normal method was there inside the class. But the moment I added this main method with exact syntax of the main method, with exact public, exact static, exact void, exact string of args, everything, and exact name of the main method as main only, then this becomes a main method. And if I try to run the code, I'm getting this Java application option. But if I remove this, you see, right click and run as, you'll not get that option. Okay, that proves that. Okay, in Java, if you want to run the code in a Java file, it should have a class, and inside the class it should have a main method, because execution in Java starts from the main method. The execution starts from here. Okay, this line it will start when you run the code. The execution will start from here. Then the moment the execution starts from here, you will go inside the main method body, and first line is it will create a variable. In this example, it will create a variable and declare that with int data type, and into that it will store the value 9. Then it will run the next statement. It will declare the variable y in this example and store data 2 into this y. After that, it will try to print this string. This is string text. X minus y will be printed as text. After that, it will concatenate with the result of x minus y, that is 9 minus 2, 7. So x minus y is 7 will be printed. After this line also got executed, control will go to the next, this line. So this is the end of the main method. After this, will the control come to this line? The answer is no. Okay, when you run the code, execution will start from the main method and execution will end here. There is no connection between this main method and addNumbers method. So if I run the code which is the programming logical code which is written inside the main method only will run. Whatever the programming logic that you have written inside a normal method is not going to run, because the execution will start from the main method and will end at the end of the main method. And there is no connection between this main method and this addNumbers method. That's why only this code and only this main method containing this code only will run. This will be ignored. Okay. So right click run as Java application. You see that x minus y is 7 got printed. But you see the sum of a and b is sum is not getting printed, because there is no connection between this main method and this addNumbers method. Then how to make this main method, connect with this addNumber, so that even the code which is there inside the addNumbers method can also run. That I'm going to cover in the next session. Okay. So in this session, I want to talk about this special method known as main method. And even though you can have any number of methods inside the class, but only the code which is there inside the main method only will run. Okay. Execution will start from the main method and it will end at the end of the main method. And if there is no connection between this main method and other methods, even though you have created any number of methods inside the class, that code which is there inside that methods will be ignored. Okay, that code which is there inside the other methods will be ignored, because none of the other methods will be executed or run, because the main method is not connected with the other methods inside this class. So how to connect the main method with other methods, so that the execution can flow from the starting of the main method, and while executing the main method code, it should also, execution control should also go to the main other methods in the program. That I'm going to cover in the next session. Okay, so that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.